Good morning everyone. Here we are to explain about our project Smart Grid, and this is our team. And I am going to explain about introduction, and my friend Vamshi will explain about existing solutions, and my friend Nitin explains about the components and gaps in existing solution, and my friend Sriram explains about the working model. As we all know that feeding the cattle is a labor intensive. We know that when farmer goes to the farm and he does all the work by himself, and he feels somewhat strained. And when he comes to the home or his cattle, he takes the rest. So when he knows that he needs to feed his cattle, and he feels somewhat burdened to it. So here we have a project called Smart Grid. In this project, it automatically feeds the cattle when the distance is less than 10 centimeters or the time feeded by us. So we need to fill the food in this, and this is a cap. And when the distance is less than 10, it automatically closes. The cap automatically gets closed, and then when the distance is more than 10, it automatically opens and feeds the cattle. Vamshi will continue with existing solutions.
Hello, my name is Vamshi, and I am telling about existing solution. There are the existing solutions in cattle feeding. There are manual feeding and programmable feeding and automatic feeding. So manual feeding, gravity flow feeding, and bale feeding. What is manual feeding is the farmers will feed the cattle like they take long time, and they have to leave their work to feed the animals, and it takes long time. So they are so if they have so many cattle, they have to keep laborers, and they need more cost efficiency. And one of this bale feeding. Bale feeding is that like it have one round, big round, like in that they keep grass or water. So the individuals, some of the it takes only few cattle for eating, and it is grasping. It is means like only some animals will eat more, some animals will lesser, and another is gravity. So it is one big machine, like the top stores the food, and when anyone comes and take the gear, and food will drop down, and it have only few number of cattle to eat. And gaps in existing solution, it takes a long time, and it takes back pain or any health issues by feeding manual feeding. And in bale feeding, it only takes few cattle to eat. And in gravity, that only it cost efficiency, like more cost. And then next issues and requirement will tell by my teammate.
Good morning everyone, I am Nitin, and now I am going to explain about components. Arduino Nano, UV sensor, 5V relay module, LCD push button, switch, jumper wires, node MCU, servo motor. And the next issue, the cattle feeding has been labor intensive and time consuming process. It often involves manual efforts to distribute feed, leading to feed schedules and potentially compromising the nutrition of our animals. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sriram. So I'm here to explain about the working of our project Smart Grid. So we can divide the mechanism into three basic steps. So one is sensing, the other is calculating the distance, and the third step is moving of the servo. So let's just say there is a container over here, and we code it such a way, we programmed it in such a way that whenever the distance between the servo and the the feeder, the container is more than 10, the servo opens. So all the food is storing here falls through it. As the food is falling, when the distance between the servo, the UV and the food is more than 10, less than 10, the servo closes, stopping the flow of our food. This is the basic mechanism of it. We can improve our project through, we can change its way of working, and by adding by using an IoT based, we can add node MCU and other components, so we can operate it through our phones, and we can change its productivity. To conclude about our project, that this is not our original or a working model of project. We can integrate it by adding on IoT board. After we can integrate by using IoT base, like saying, hey Google, feed my pet, it automatically feeds the pet. So we can integrate like that, and we can add a UV sensor here. so that when the quantity is in the container less, it automatically gives the buzzer. That's it. Thank you.